finance is a very broad subject, very broad word. One cannot deal with every aspect of finance in the best possible way. In order to cater to the specialized need of the finance industry, there are various courses designed to cater to each individual needs, some of them being related to accounting, auditing, taxation, and finance. In very simple terms, every person today is impacted by money somewhere or other in their life, right? They'll be earning money, which means they need to invest it somewhere or they want to deploy it in the best possible way. So a CFA can help you manage that portfolio, because not everyone, if you know, like once you have a lot of money, you would need to hire someone to manage that money. It's well known to everyone. So in those cases, CFAs are professionals who can make those investment decisions on behalf of the high net worth individual or financial institutions, and also manage their portfolio in the best possible manner in terms of the market scenario. So those kind of skill sets, like CFA cannot guarantee, like if you are hiring a CFA, they will help you get the best return, but it always helps you get those technical and financial knowledge, which will help you earn those best return in the long-term future. See, first of all, I would say you need not tell it you are switching from engineering to CFA. Think of it as an amalgamation of engineering and CFA. Like personally, when I am working in an investment banking firm and I have had experience of working for last 5 years, I could say most of the people in this industry are engineering and finance. They have the background of both. Only then they are the most successful ones, because the way, you know, like the way market and the industry, almost all the industry, I am not talking only about investment banking. Almost every industry is going through a digitalization and a technological improvement phase, right? In those cases, if you are an engineer and also along with that, if you have a knowledge of finance, you will master anyone in that field then. Like nobody would be able to compete you. Personally, I am like CFA, but I didn't have any academic qualification in terms of coding or all those engineering related aspects. But in my daily day-to-day job, I need to work on SQL. I need to actually write codes on SQL. Sometimes I need to learn Python language in order to understand the tools of the company. Like companies, engineer will build tools for you, for the finance people, and they need to use it. But until unless you have knowledge, basic knowledge of engineering, how to debug a basic error, it would be very difficult. So it's very easy, actually, I would say, and very much encouraged if you are switching from, or if you are moving from engineering to a finance related. At the entry level, it might vary depending on the company that you are joining, but it would always be somewhere above, I would say, 8 lakhs per annum. But in the longer run, I can say finance will not be a challenge for you, or money will not be a challenge for you if you have completed CA and CFA. You might have any other challenges in your life, but you would be always happy with your finance. It can pay you as well. There is a difference between MBA and CFA, which is very basic. MBA provides you a classroom-based teaching, right? CFA is a self-study based course. So this is one of the major difference between MBA and any other such professional course, be it CA, CFA, or CMA. All of these three, which I told you the later, are self-study based course, whereas MBA provides you that classroom-based teaching. What happens due to that is, while you do your MBA, it helps you with your presentation skills. You get the broad understanding of managing the business, managing the finance. You understand the basics of the different financial products and how to manage them and how to approach the client, or how to do those presentations. You become more presentable as an MBA, I would say, right? But courses like CA, CFA, this will help you become the technical expert in the product or in the strategy that you want to make use of. Like I can quote Sir Ratan Tata here. I think he always says that I need MBAs to run my business and CAs to tell them how to run the business. Reason being, I might know everything about a company, I might know everything how to make money, but I might not be presentable enough to my clients or my shareholders. That is what MBA would help you, right? That skill set is actually provided. So combination of these two always has a synergistic success.